How to delete a home screen on Samsung One UI 6.1.1. If you want to organize your Samsung device and delete one of the home screen pages, here's a quick guide on how to do it. First, go to the home screen and either pinch the screen with 2 fingers or press and hold on an empty space. This will take you to the home screen editing mode. Swipe through the pages until you find the one you want to delete. Once selected, tap on the delete icon. Confirm your choice by clicking delete in the pop-up window, and the selected home screen page will be deleted. That's it! You've successfully removed a home screen page from your Samsung device. If you want to delete more pages, simply repeat the process. Thank you for watching our videos. Follow our channel to stay updated with new tutorials.